In this lesson, we will have some sentences examples with the numbers that we have learned in the previous lessons. I recommend that you study those lessons first before continuing with this lesson. Please refer to the links in the comment or description. Let's start with the first number. 0, which means sifar, or kosong, kosong. Which one is more frequently used? Sifar or kosong? Sifar and kosong is interchangeable. However, sifar is commonly used in scientific, technical, and official contexts, as in the examples here. Suhu bawah sifar. Suhu bawah sifar. Sub-zero temperature. Another example is sifar mutlak. Sifar mutlak. Absolute zero. In regards with the other meaning of zero, which is kosong, it has more usage in Malay. Kosong could mean as a number 0. It can also mean empty, finish. When the word kosong is repeated, kosong kosong, it means no more grudges between you and the other person, as in asking for forgiveness. Ais kosong. Ais kosong. It means plain water with ice cubes. Kopi o. Kopi o. Or kopi kosong. Kopi kosong means black coffee without cream and sugar. If you want it to be hot, you say kopi o panas or kopi o ice with ice cubes. Another example is used commonly for stating the match points, for example in football match between Malaysia and Thailand. 3-0, 3-0, 3-0. Here we don't say it as 3-0, not 3-0, but 3-0. Next, let's look at some example sentences where we commonly use numbers in our daily life. The first sentence, what is your telephone number? Apakah nombor telefon kamu? Apakah nombor telefon kamu? Colloquially, I will drop the suffix kah here. Kah is normally used for making a question. Once dropped, I will say it as, apa nombor telefon kamu? Apa nombor telefon kamu? Kamu is interchangeable with the other second-person pronoun like awak or anda. Check out the related video for second-person pronoun in the link above. Moving on to the second sentence. My telephone number is 013-745-8296. Nombor telefon saya ialah 013-745-8296. Nombor telefon saya ialah 013-745-8296. Ialah is commonly dropped in colloquial speech. There is no equivalent of to be verb is or are in Malay language. So we normally omit this ialah or adalah in colloquial speech. So I will say it as nombor telefon saya 013-745-8296. One more time. Nombor telefon saya 013-745-8296. The next sentence, what is your passport number? Apakah nombor pasport kamu? Apakah nombor pasport kamu? Again, kah is commonly dropped in communication. Apa nombor pasport kamu? Apa nombor pasport kamu? Sometimes even the pronoun will be dropped if we understand the context. Apa nombor pasport? Apa nombor pasport? Referring to the listener. The next sentence is, my passport number is MY7378400Z. Nombor pasport saya ialah MY7378400Z. Nombor pasport saya ialah MY7378400Z. and colloquially we just say the passport number instead of the whole nombor pasport saya ialah, and so on. The next sentence is when you want to order a drink. For example, please give me a glass of iced water. Tolong bagi saya satu gelas ais kosong. Or colloquially said, bagi saya ais kosong satu. Bagi saya ais kosong satu. A glass means satu gelas. The next sentence, are you the first one? Adakah kamu yang pertama? Adakah kamu yang pertama? To be more colloquial, just drop adakah. Kamu yang pertama? Kamu yang pertama? You may exchange the first one with the second one and the rest to become adakah kamu yang kedua or kamu yang kedua? The next sentence is I am the second child in my family. Saya anak kedua dalam keluarga saya. Saya anak kedua dalam keluarga saya. You may change kedua, which is the second, to the other ordinal numbers. For example, saya anak keempat to mean the fourth child, or so on. Next, he is the last person. Dia adalah orang yang terakhir. Dia adalah orang yang terakhir. You may drop adalah to be more colloquial. Dia orang yang terakhir. Or dia yang terakhir. Next, imagine we are in a line waiting to pay for something and you need to ask if the person in front of you is the last person in line. Are you the last person? Adakah kamu orang yang terakhir? Adakah kamu orang yang terakhir? To be more colloquial, you may say, kamu yang terakhir? Or you can say like this, kamu yang terakhir ke? Kamu yang terakhir ke? Ke in this context, when put at the end of a sentence, is presented as a question, just like kah. If you like what you see today or learn something new, make sure you like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Sampai jumpa lagi.